Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about sandbox, software testing and security. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Sandbox, software testing and security. A sandbox is an isolated testing environment that enables users to testing programs or open files without affecting the application system or platform on which they run. What is sandbox? A sandbox is an isolated testing environment that enables users to run program or open files without affecting the application system or platform which they run. Software developers can use sandboxes to run software developers use sandbox to test new programming code. Cybersecurity professionals use sandboxes to test potentially malicious software. Without sandboxing, software or application could have potentially unlimited access to all the user data and system resources on a network. Sandboxes are also used to safely execute malicious code to avoid harming the host device, the network, or other connected devices. Uses a sandbox to detect malware offers and additional layers of protection against security threats such as stealthy attacks and exploits that use zero-day vulnerabilities. Importance of sandboxes. As malware becomes more sophisticated, monitoring suspicious behavior to detect malware has become increasingly difficult. Many threats in recent years have employed advanced obfuscation techniques that can evade detection from endpoint and network security products. Sandboxing protects an organization's critical infrastructures from suspicious code because it runs in a separate system. It also allows ITs to test malicious code in an isolated testing environment to understand how it works as well as more rapid detect similar malware attacks. Uses of sandbox. In general, a sandbox is used to test suspicious programs that may contain viruses or other malware without allowing the software to harm the host devices. Sandboxing is an important feature of the Java programming language and development environment where the sandbox is a program area and set of rules that programmers need to use when creating Java code called an applet that is sent as a part of web page. A sandbox can also enable a mirrored production environment that an external developers can use to develop an app that uses a service from the sandbox. This enables third-party developers to validate their code before migrating it to the production environment. An API sandbox is targeted at API developers and testers. It mimics the characteristics of the production environment to create simulated responses for APIs that reflect the behavior of a real system. Java sandboxing. Java applets are sent automatically to the user's browser as part of the web page transmission and can be executed as soon as they arrive at the browser without any other protection. The malicious code could run without restriction and easily do harm. Using a sandbox to isolate the code can help protect against both malicious attack and harm done by buggy Java programs with unlimited access to memory or operating system services. The sandbox restrictions strictly limited what system resources an applet can request or access. The Java sandbox comprises the program area and a set of rules that programmers need to use when creating Java code sent with web content. These sandbox restrictions can